Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho Books account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a PNL or a profit and loss statement in your Zoho Books account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to create a PNL in your Zoho Books anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. There's a lot of different reasons you might need to create a profit and loss statement. Maybe you're selling your business, maybe you're getting some sort of a loan. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho Books account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Zoho Books account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, in order to create a PNL in your Zoho book, here on the left side, you want to go ahead and click on this button here called Reports. All right, once you do that, you'll see a lot of different reports that are available through your Zoho Books, but you want to look for this one here called Profit and Loss. It's usually up here towards the top. However, if you don't see it for some reason, you can click in the search bar and just type in Profit and Loss and then click Enter, and you're going to see it right here. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, by default, your profit and loss statement is going to pop up for the current month, as you can see right here, November 2024. But you can go ahead and adjust that by clicking up here on Date Range. All right, once you do that, you can go ahead and choose the date range for your PNL. So you can do year to date, you can do previous year, you can do this year. So this is going to depend on whoever's requesting your PNL statement. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and do this year. Here you can go ahead and change the report basis on accrual or cash. And once you're ready, go ahead and click on Run Report. Okay, a quick second later, it shows my profit and loss statement for the current year. So let me move myself out of the way here. Okay, now once you have this PNL statement, you can go ahead and click up here on the top right on Export. Once you do that, you can go ahead and export it as a PDF in an Excel spreadsheet. You can print it out. So this is really going to depend on who is requesting this PNL. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a profit and loss statement in your Zoho book, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.